Hi guys, Dr. Axe here. And if you're experiencing unexplained mysterious symptoms like a chronic pain, food allergies, fatigue, joint pain, brain fog, mood disorders, and you just don't know what's going on, you've seen your doctor, they don't know what's going on, join us for our free session on how to reverse inflammation naturally. I'm going to go over the top 5 things that cause these mysterious symptoms, and I'm going to go over the 4 root cause, 4 triggers that cause these issues, and I'm going to give you specific action steps to take. We're going to go over all the functional medicine testing, what those tests look like, and how they can help you overcome chronic inflammation, chronic disease. Please come, bring a friend, family member, coworker. We all live busy lives. You know, it's easy to say, hey, I'll come next month. Today is the day. This month is going to be our best workshop ever. Please come, bring a friend. Do not miss it. Excited to see you guys there.